So today I'm going to show you how to use this balloon tying tool. At times, your fingers may get sore because you have numerous balloons to tie. And if you're inflating a really large balloon, such as a 36-inch balloon to be used as a topper, it's really challenging when you're using your fingers. So to save your fingers, you can use this balloon tying tool. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use it. Okay, so the first way, we're going to take our index finger and our middle finger, and we're going to go ahead and place the tool just like this. So the top is the open part, okay? It's facing towards the ceiling, okay? And then I have the flat side where you place your fingers on the inside of your hand. So then you're going to go ahead and take your palm of your hand and place it downward, okay? And your tool should be facing toward the ceiling. Then go ahead and rest your balloon on the top of your hand. Then you're going to go ahead and use your thumb to hold the neck in place on the side of the tool. Then you're going to take the whole entire neck. You're going to stretch it around the tool. This is the important part. Do not go in front of that balloon when you go around. You're going to go behind the balloon. Okay? And then you're going to cross the neck and place it in the open slot and let go. And it should hold the nozzle in place. And then take the neck of the balloon, pull it over the tying tool, and when you take it off, you should have a tied balloon. Okay, so here's the second way that you can use the tying tool. Instead of the flat portion of the tool being on the inside, on your palm side of your hand, it's going to go on the back of your hand. Using, again, your index finger and your middle finger. And then you're going to take the neck of your balloon and you're going to use your thumb once again to hold this balloon in place. Wrap the neck around your tool, but remember, go around the back, around the neck of your balloon. So you wrapped around the entire tool. Then place the neck into the slot, let it go, and that nozzle will be held in place by the tool. Then simply take the neck and pull it over, and then you have a tied balloon. And then you can pull on the nozzle to make a tight knot. Be sure to like and subscribe for more easy balloon decor tips. Thanks for watching.